These Rolex models are most likely to hold value right now. This is my take on the subject anyways. A lot of people still think every Rolex automatically holds value. That's not really true anymore. Many Rolexes on the secondary market are less expensive than MSRP. The market's much more selective, which means certain models are separating themselves from the rest. And honestly, a lot of it comes down to entry pieces or entry prices. So let's talk about a very solid line for Rolex, which is the Submariner. If you can get a piece like a 126610 LN sub-date or the 124060 no-date, or let's talk about the GMTs too. Almost any GMT, or especially a Daytona, if we're gonna throw another line in here. But the key is for the GMTs and the Daytona to get them at MSRP. Those are still some of the strongest value positions in the Rolex market. Why? Because the spread between retail and secondary market pricing still gives those watches a very strong cushion. The GMT line continues to have massive demand globally. Same with the Daytona. It's still the hardest Rolex model to actually buy at retail. And the combination matters. Scarcity plus long-term collector demand is usually what helps watches stay strong over time. Now, back to the subs, the 124060 no-date sub might still be one of the cleanest long-term Rolex buys, period. Simple, classic, wearable, not dependent on hype, not dependent on colors or trends. From what we see every day, buying, selling, trading, consigning, sourcing watches, the Rolex models holding value best right now are usually the ones with the strongest long-term collector demands, not necessarily the loudest hype. And that is the difference, because hype can disappear fast. Core demand, like solid, long-term, predictable demand, doesn't. And if you're thinking about buying, selling, trading, consigning a Rolex, we're always happy to help. Our information is in the description below. But more importantly, as a buyer, as a collector, as a consumer, maybe a dealer, let me know what you think. Which Rolex models do you trust the most long-term right now? I'm interested to hear. My name's Chris, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.